What's good? It's Chigozi. It's Saturday, October 12th, 2019. Real quick, we're just going to look at this very racist piece of coding from the New World Order. Right away, you can see it on this black man. See, this is a black man standing here. And look at the numbers. 1, 59, 40, and 2. Black man equals 159, and nigger equals 42 in gematria. Very clear what these people are doing. Black man. When you reverse the alphabetical order and make A26 Z1, assigning those numerical values to those letters in that order, when you write a black man, then you get 159. So if A is 26, B is 25 because you're going backwards. C is 24. So you add that all, 159 in black man. And we get that 1 minute 59 or whatever, an hour 59, 40.2. Nigger equals 42 in the full reduction. Jagger Robinson wearing number 42, and so on. N is the 14th letter, I is the 9th. You see how that works? But you do reduction. So N becomes 5, 1 plus 4 is 5. R, the 18th letter, that becomes 9. 1 plus 8 is 9. So it becomes 5 plus 9 plus 7 plus 7 plus 5 plus 9. Notice the double 59, slave equals 59. But nigger equals 42. Slavery equals 42. And you see right here, 42. So 159, 42, right hand is black man. Very clear what these people are doing. And it's coming out today, and it did with 34 life lesson number, black equals 34. And in the stream last night, with Rufus, Amy, and Gandalf, they're asking me for some predictions. A lot of them are coming true. There's a shooting today. I said there's going to be a shooting or a tragedy. I still think there's going to be some celebrity sacrifice too. There's stuff about black people on the front page right here. The only thing that hasn't come true that I really wanted to, but it was kind of a stretch, was seeing something about George Bush and his dad, because today I did it with 41 and 43 numerology. So I thought that'd be pretty cool. But you see it, black 34, lifeless number 34, Negro 22. I mean, I'm not sure what else to tell you if you want to see what these people are doing. I want to see what finish equals, because they have, so they're going to probably continue the pattern. 34. They're going to continue the pattern. Finish equals 34. Runner becomes first ever to finish a marathon in under 2 hours, but it doesn't count as a record. Finish right here. Again, finish 34. With a life lesson number 34. They're putting this out. 10 plus 12 plus 2 plus 0 plus 1 plus 9, 34. They code these intermediary steps in the numerology. Notice how they're not syncing up 7, because 3 plus 4 is 7. This reduces to 7. But do you see how it's just easier for them to send messages, do riddles, when they actually have the number that's unreduced. So they can pair this 34 with this 34, and then put that up here. I kind of want to do IN. They clearly have an IN right there. Oh, 23, 31, slave 31, 23, reflection of 32, like Negro. Runner. Oh, it's Eliud Kipchoge. I know about him. He's one of the actors for the government. Participates in fake running. Runner. I just want to see like gematria. CLA updated it at 758. Freemasonry equals 58. Branding the propaganda. Look, 39. Number stand on black people all the time. And then a minute 43 video. Okay, this is clearly the Freemasons branding their propaganda. It's so obvious. Updated at the 58th minute of the hour. Freemasonry equals 58 in the full reduction. Right? There's a 39-second video. Masonry equals 39. And again, all we're doing here is taking the alphabetical order, applying numerology to each digit, or we are reversing the alphabetical order and then applying numerology to each digit. So Masonry 39, Freemasonry 58 without reversing. See, 39.58. And then 10.43. See, CNN 10.43. in this legit. And then 143, they make sure no matter what, it's 143. This is propaganda, fake crap, bullshit, fake running stuff from the Scottish Rite of Freemasonry. 143. So are you understanding how they're putting the number for the Scottish Rite of Freemasonry inside this propaganda crap that they do all the time? It's a 39-second video, Masonry 39, Freemasonry 58. It's very easy to see. Eliud Kipchoge, another agent for the government. Yeah, he's very fast. He's a good runner. I'm not denying his talent at all, but it's scripted. I mean, how is it not scripted? You see 1:59:42. So I want to see how many days from his birthday he's coming out, and then we'll just leave it as that. Kipchoge 74:47. Kipchoge equals 34. So do you see how Kipchoge equals 34? Finish equals 34 in that same reverse reduction. Finish 34. And it's a date with a lifeless number 34, and he's here in the front page propaganda by the numbers. Born November 5th, 1984. Born date with 38 numerology, 119, 110. Okay, I just want to see his date numerology. There's a lot to that, but I want to see how many days from his birthday. For his upcoming birthday. How old is he right now? 34. I knew it. I was just thinking, oh, don't tell me he's 34. This is the type of thing I am trying to let you know. They're giving you a tale about him finishing. They let you know. The whole narrative is about finishing. Becomes first ever to finish a marathon, but it doesn't count as a record. So the whole thing's around finishing. They put the word finish right here. And again, finish equals 34, reversing and reducing. Like Kipchoge, his last name, this is happening when he's 34 years old, and it's happening on a date with a lifeless number of 34. These are the types of examples that you need to understand, because these are the type of examples that are completely undeniable, that show exactly how these things are scripted. The sports, the news, it's all scripted together by this code. How many days from his upcoming birthday is this even happening? I mean, it probably didn't even happen today. Let's see. Today, definitely got to do from today, because this is the day that they have the 34 lifeless number. So it's insignificant. 3 weeks, 3 days. Masonry 33. And of course, drum roll, that's 3 weeks, 4 days. I mean, what? This is the craziest ritual I've ever seen. I mean, it's just so clean. So I'm literally going to go over this one more time and then press stop. And then, hell, I want to do this again in a separate video, maybe. Just, this is so clean. I'm going to have to document this while I can. On the front page, on the field and off, which is probably coded as well. Finish, that equals 34. It's about him finishing. Finish equals 34. Reversing and reducing. This is Eliud Kipchoge, 34. It's a date with a lifeless number of 34 that's coming out. 10 plus 12 plus 2 plus 0 plus 1 plus 9, 34. And he's 34 years old right now when this is happening. And this is all happening of all the days, 3 weeks and 4 days from his upcoming 35th birthday. That is exactly what you need to see, to the letter, how they do it. They sync up the date and numerology, the days from their birthday, the propaganda pictures, what they have on here, the names, all by one number, all using the same cipher. We pretty much used this reverse reduction 34 for the whole thing. Kipchoge 34, finish 34, and then get off the gematria. You see how he's 34 years old, and you do from the birthday, which I say is one of my favorite things to do because it seals the deal, 3 weeks and 4 days. I'm so glad we see this. I've been super repetitive because I know I'm trying to keep everyone up to speed, but you see what they did. 3 weeks, 4 days from his birthday. He's 34 years old. They were 34, lifeless number. His name equals 34, finish 34. Peace out. One last part I just found out. In the Jewish cipher, marathon equals 310. Eliud Kipchoge, born the 310th day of the year. Peace out.